What's up guys, Brandon here, and this is start opening called Charizard VMAX 17th for survive. I got my big boosters here for a job, so alright, so let's begin. Alright, here's what green code card. So front, the back is QR code. We've got a Teddy Ursa, Rudy, Trepidge, Jigglypuff, Ducklet, Water Energy means water, Ghostwire, Rose, Vanillish, Marlo, a rare, and then we got no way. See basic Silence V, 100 HP, 220 Rose type energy type. Wow, it's cool. Look at this. I think I pulled like Assassin's Course first one, and I pulled VMAX second one, and I pulled a Mew third one. I pulled an Entrance fourth one. This is the fifth rare. Yay! Those were the basic Silence V, the fifth rare I pulled. HP 220 health means colors type energy. So it says, let's read the 2 damages. It says swoop across. This attack does 30 damage to each of your opponent's Pokemon. Don't apply weakness and resistance for a branch Pokemon. And Heavy Storm, 160 damage. Wow, this is so cool. I'm just my collection, you know. Yeah, you guys can see this. It's pretty cool. Alright. I will do the additional Pokemon opening called Charizard VMAX 18th pushback. That's the last Charizard VMAX pushback. You guys are seeing okay. Everybody's gonna see okay. I will do the kind of Entries VMAX pushback and Charizard VMAX pushback as well. Yeah. Yeah, maybe like the next month, September. That's the 9th month of September, by the way. It's the 8th month. So only get 3 days until August ends. Yeah. Alright. So I will eventually do the 36 photos, but when they call it Charizard VMAX 18th back tomorrow, Saturday morning. Alright, spam us to that button to make your channel call Brandon Dayanan, subscribers please, and make guys 50 subscribers please. Yeah, means a lot. You schedule window for every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like 7 days, like for uploads. That's it, I can say. Hi, this is Brandon Dayanan.